Today, I'm going to show you how to make ginger snap cookies. These little cookies are a joy. You can make them small, you can make them big, but everybody loves a good ginger snap. We've got our superfine or caster sugar. We've got all-purpose flour, some baking soda, ground ginger. Gotta have ginger and ginger snaps, by the way. And the secret ingredient, imported from England, Lyle's golden syrup. I haven't baked with Lyle's golden syrup yet, so I'm really excited that I was able to find this at that British store in Northampton. So we're going to go with that. Oh, and of course, a little bit of butter. We always need butter in our cookies. It gives them that warmth and that chew. So are you ready? Let's get started. So here's how we're going to make our ginger snaps.
Yum.
Sift the flour, ginger, and baking soda together in a large bowl. Then we'll add the butter, sugar, and golden syrup and mix using a handheld electric whisk or wooden spoon to form a smooth dough. All in one step, that's just about everything we need to know. So, in a large bowl, we're going to sift flour, ginger, and baking soda together. We have 1 3/4 cups or 225 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, it's 1 and 2, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, that ginger smells delicious. These cookies are going to come together so quickly and so deliciously. You may even want to make a second batch. There's our dry ingredients. So now that we have our dry ingredients in place, we need to mix in the wet ingredients. And the sugar, of course, and butter. And the first thing I'm going to do is add the Lyle's golden syrup. And I want to do this by weight, because it's really sticky like molasses. 100 grams or 1/3 of a cup of Lyle's golden amazing syrup. I don't know how to get this out of the can without having it go everywhere. It's like honey. Honey. Okay. I want to weigh it right into my mixing bowl. So I know if I pour this into a bowl and then pour the bowl into the bowl, you always lose something in the translation. Okay, I'm just going to spill it all the heck all over the can. We can always clean up later. Right? Right. We're up to 57, 75. We're almost there. 80, 90, 92. 96. What if we just use our finger? Blooch. 100. 100 grams of this beautiful, sticky, golden syrup. And when I wipe off the spoon, it gives us just a little bit extra, just in case it gets stuck in the bowl. What an interesting flavor. I can't quite put my finger on it. Really curious. Sort of tastes a little bit like caramel popcorn. So now we're going to add 7 tablespoons or 100 grams of butter. Baking with butter. Butter is better. In most cases. Here we go. Blooch. And now a 1/2 cup or 100 grams of superfine sugar, or caster sugar as they call it in the British baking. There we go. And so all we have to do now is mix all these beautiful ingredients together with an electric whisk or a wooden spoon. I like electric gizmos when I can. It's up to you. Whatever you have is fine. So we like to work this dough by hand just a little bit, bring it all together, Form it up, give it a little squeeze, press it down, let the butter do its magic. That's right. Just like that. Now we've got this beautiful dough. Now we're going to wrap this beautiful ball of dough in some plastic wrap. And we're going to set it in the refrigerator to chill for just about 30 minutes. Just like that. All right, let's get these ginger snaps on the way and get them in the oven. So here we go. Our dough has been chilling a little bit in the refrigerator. We're going to break off small pieces of dough, each about 1 heaping teaspoon or 30 grams, and roll them into balls. Paul Hollywood says that would be just about walnut size. Put them on the prepared baking sheets, leaving enough room for the cookies to spread, and then bake for 10 to 12 minutes until they are golden with a cracked surface. Leave the cookies to cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes until firm, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Just like that. So, in 10 to 12 minutes, we're going to have our answer. Stand by, but don't stand down. And so, here's the results. These cookies are beautiful, and oh, if you could smell the aroma. Ginger, golden syrup, you name it. I love the way the surface cracks like that. Nice golden, even color all the way around. These were so easy to make. I hope you try this recipe at home. So please do me a favor and click the thumbs up like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.